Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make your in-game voice chat for Call of Duty Modern Warfare and Warzone sound a lot better. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So the in-game voice chat for Call of Duty Modern Warfare and Warzone, it sounds pretty bad. It sounds like you're talking through a really muffled walkie-talkie, and it can be very hard to hear your teammates speaking to you. So how do we fix this? If we go ahead and hit the options button on our controller, and then scroll all the way over to the audio section, and go down to the voice chat section. Now we have a couple different options like our voice chat volume. We can go ahead and turn this up so we can hear people better, and we can turn our own microphone up from here. But if you go down to the voice chat effects located right here, you can read on the right hand side that the no effects are the default voice chat, no additional effects or equalizer adjustments, and this is what you want just to hear clear audio. The other ones are stealth comms and classic chatter, and it's supposed to make you more immersed in the game by having like a walkie-talkie or a coordinated radio effects kind of sound to your speech. But if you switch it over to no effects, you'll notice it's a lot easier to hear people. So go ahead and try this out yourself and see if it helps you out. And if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. And check out more Call of Duty videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.